Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the Chaos Forest Abyss puzzle in Crimson Desert. The Chaos Forest Abyss puzzle is located on top of the Spire of Insight. If you haven't solved this tower, we have a video on the channel about that, so make sure to check it out. Now let's enter the Abyss Gate. Once you're in the area, make sure to stand on this circle for a few seconds to activate the Nexus. Now first, you can either climb this wall or walk along the side to enter the main puzzle area. I'll just jump over it cause it's faster this way. Now, once you're in, you'll see that there are wood thorns all over the area. Burn everything using your focused blinding flash. Once everything is burned, grab this burning square piece right across from us using your axiom. Dip this burning square piece in this small pool behind us. You don't need to release the axiom. A few seconds should be enough. Take it out and place it on top of the empty square socket. Stand in front of it, jump forward, then do an aerial force palm. The gears in front of us should activate. Now let's head to that area on the left. Once you're here, burn these thorns as well. After that, right in front of us is a door which can be opened using Nature's Grasp. Open it, then walk inside. Grab the floating square piece and align it the socket. Now stand in front of it. Jump, force palm, glide, then force palm again. Grab this stone and walk towards the door. Open the door using Nature's Grasp. Then grab the stone again and place it under the door. This should hold the door in place, activating the dial in the center. Now grab onto that dial, place yourself anywhere near the center, hold resist, then do a force palm. This will activate the dial, triggering a cutscene and completing the puzzle. Climb on top of it and claim your reward. On the right side should be the area leading to the next puzzle. And that is how to solve the Chaos Forest Abyss puzzle in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.